Breaking news coming in. Dr. Gitanjali Angmo, wife of Sonam Wangchuk, has posted on social media praising India's Gen Z for what she described as compassion, discipline and peaceful courage during the agitation. Dr. Angmo said that young protesters have cared for strangers like family, shared food and water, cleaned protest sites, supported the elderly and kept the movement alive through selfless service. She also saluted parents for raising what she called a compassionate and responsible generation, saying India's future is in safe hands and that Indian Gen Z are not just the future of the country but role models for the entire world. Arzu Seth, my colleague, is also joining us at this point in time to talk more about this. Arzu, if you can hear me. Arzu,
Yes.
if you, all right. Well, big praise coming in from Dr. Gitanjali
Yes.
Angmo, wife of Sonam Wangchuk, saying that Gen Z is doing whatever they can in a noble fashion to make sure that they protest, but at the same time, they don't create a ruckus.
Well, absolutely. The wife of Sonam Wangchuk, Gitanjali, has posted a video appreciating the Gen Z's, India's Gen Z, in fact, for what she said is the Gen Z who is keeping this movement alive. And also she appreciated how the students are taking care of elderly. They are providing food. In fact, they are cleaning the protest site. And she, in fact, mentioned that they are not only, the India is not only in the safe hand, but also they are the role model for the world, in fact. So definitely a praise coming in for the India's Gen Z. And apart from that, we have also seen Gitanjali, wife of Sonam Wangchuk, being involved since the day Sonam Wangchuk have been taken from the Jantar Mantar. She in fact questioned the Rahul Gandhi's separate protest, and in fact she said that if Rahul Gandhi wants to raise the student issue, he should come with the students. So we can clearly see how active Gitanjali is right now. And in fact, Gen Zs are in large number coming to Jantar Mantar to be the part of the protest that is taking place, which is led by Cockroach Janata Party, and demanding the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Yes, Vineet.
Stay with us, Arzu.